Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the new Samsung Galaxy A32, A52 or A72. Before we get into the video, please, if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's go ahead with the video. First of all, if you still have access to your phone, the first thing you need to do, remove your Google account. Let me show you how to do it. Then I will show you how to factory reset the whole phone. To remove the Gmail account, let's go ahead and click on settings, scroll down and click on accounts and backup. Then let's go ahead and click on manage accounts, and here you're gonna see your Google account. Let's click on that. Then you will see the action right here, remove account. Let's click on that, then click on remove account. Okay, here you will see a message saying, are you sure? Okay, no problem. Click on OK. Here you're gonna click on use PIN, or you can use your fingerprint. In this case, I'm gonna use the pen. Let me type my PIN code and then done. As you can see, we already removed the Google account. Now let me show you how to factory reset the whole phone. Okay, first thing you need to do, guys, turn off your phone. Turn it off. Okay, once your phone is completely off, you're gonna press and hold down the power button and volume up at the same time for around 10 to 15 seconds. Again, press and hold down the power button and volume up at the same time for around 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, let's do it. Power button and volume up at the same time. I will let you know when you have to release both buttons, okay? You will see Samsung on the screen, but don't release the button yet. Not yet. Okay, once you see this menu pop up on the screen, now it's time to release both buttons. Now guys, you're gonna use the volume down to select these settings. Wipe data factory reset. By using the volume down, you will see it's gonna move down the action until you select wipe data factory reset. Now just press one time the power button. Now just press the volume down to select the last settings. Now press one time the power button. As you can see, this phone is already factory reset. That's all you need to do. It was really easy. The last thing you gotta do right here, just press one time the power button to reboot the system. Your phone gonna go soft and it's gonna turn it back on automatically. You don't have to do anything else. So once your phone is on, now you will have to set up your phone again. You know, your phone is gonna be like brand new because we already erased the whole phone, and that's all you need to do. If you have any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. See you next time.